This is a video to show you how to complete the ideal therapeutic brushing protocol. Each protocol is different for every child, so please refer to any specific directions from your occupational therapist. When brushing, you want to make sure that you crush the brush, meaning you want the bristles to flatten across your child's skin. You will want to hold the brush horizontally across their limbs and apply deep and consistent pressure. Typically, you will be brushing your child's arms, legs, hands, feet, and back. The number of strokes you complete on each body part will differ from child to child, so please check in with your occupational therapist on the number of strokes they would like you to complete. After you complete the brushing protocol, have your child complete at least 3 grounding or heavy work activities. These can be in the form of joint compressions, animal walks, wall push-ups, or jumping jacks. Please see our video on proprioceptive exercises and animalks for more ideas on grounding activities. You might hear your child also talk about buzzing during their occupational therapy session. Buzzing is another form of touch input that comes from a buzzing massager. Like brushing, when buzzing your child, the therapist is working on normalizing your child's response to touch. This may be in the form of waking their body up with the buzzing input or helping the child to relax and accept the buzzing sensation. If you have more questions on the purpose of using the buzzer, please ask your occupational therapist. In this video, you will also see that we are brushing up to the knees and up to the elbows. This is due to the therapist's clothing that she wore that day. When brushing, you want to try to get as much of the limb covered as possible, so going from the hand all the way up to the shoulder, and on the lower limbs, you want to go from the feet all the way up to the hips. You will avoid brushing the inside of your child's legs and the inside of their arms, as those are typically ticklish and more sensitive spots. Caboosing is a form of brushing to be used on the child that is sensitive to the brush. You will follow the brush with your hand, applying deep pressure to help normalize that sensation. Using a downstroke is the next step up from caboosing. You will start at the top of their limb and only use downstrokes with the brush. If your occupational therapist has referred to scrubbing your child with the brush, they want you to use deep pressure and fast strokes to help wake up their system and help improve body awareness and overall tactile processing.